Alright, today we are going to have a go at making some lamb bacon. I've got a smoker, just a cheap one. So we're going to have a bit of a crack. I've got some leftover lamb breasts from a farm kill. So something different. We've got, I'm going to try a dry rub. So dry, just salt, sugar, real basic brine, a bit of cure, and I've got the ingredients here. And we're going to rub it on, dry. Let it soak for a couple of days, hopefully it'll extract all the water out and all the brine and flavours will get in, and yeah, we'll try and make some lamb bacon. Have a look at this, this is the ingredients. So we've just got our lamb breasts. I've just got to bone these guys out, which would be good. So I've got one there, and then real basic. We've got some brown sugar, some salt, a little bit of cure. And I'm going to chuck some allspice in, just to give a bit of a kick. When you get these lamb breasts, you've got a bit of cartilage that follows the end of the bone, goes up the breast, and if you can get that cartilage, it'll save you some nice hard bits in your bacon. The dog will love that. And you might have a few little bits of gristle that you left in there, but that's alright, they can come out nice and easy. That's pretty much it, that's one done. I might leave these whole. Now just rub all my mixture over it. Let it sit for a few days. Big boneless bit of lamb breast. You can see that, it's bloody beautiful. Still a bit of thickness there, should smoke up pretty good. I'll be able to just give these to the dogs. They're, yeah, there's quite a fair amount of meat on them. Just on the end here, there's a bit of hard bit of skin. Just pull that off. That'll just make your bacon not so chewy. Just exposes all that meat, and that'll let the brine soak in a bit better too. Cool, so that's half a cup, a little bit less, so that's 1 cup. Now how much we'll need of this? Pretty much double sugar to the salt. So that's 1 cup of salt, and I'll go 2 cups of salt. We'll go 3 cups of salt. Yeah, that's one of them pretty much, that's good. Go 3 cups of salt. How much are these? 1 kilo. 1 kilo, and we'll go 6 cups of sugar. So that's easy, that's 2 things of sugar. No need to measure. Holy, that's a shitload of sugar. Maybe it's a bit too much sugar. There we go. Alright, so I'll mix the salt and the sugar together. Yeah, we got this is a bit of cure. Alright. So I end up rubbing a bit of seasoning on these ribs on this breast. And I've got my salt, bit of cuirass, sugar, and a little bit of that allspice in there as well. So I'll chuck a bit of that on the base. I'll spread it out. Now the salt should draw all the moisture out of this lamb, I'm hoping. So hopefully we'll have a bit of a runny mix at the bottom of this container. So I'll just put a coat of that in. I've gone and scored the lamb too, so it really soaks in. And I might just bloody rub it in over it. Push it all in, and then I'll flip that, and then I'll do the other side.
So that's looking pretty good.
Just like that. It goes down
Let's see
there.
the breast is all covered. So these are really soft and floppy when we put them in. So in theory, if it's brined correctly and it draws out a lot of that moisture, when we pull them out, they should be pretty firm. They should be pretty solid, and there should be a fair bit of hopefully
Right,
some
so we'll
liquid
give that
in
lamb.
this container.
I was going to give it a couple of days, I might just give it a day. It's only really thin, so and I'm back to work, so we'll just do that, and we'll might even smoke it tomorrow or the next day. But got a few mounts back from the taxidermist, which is awesome. So give you a look. Got the velvet there, and I've got that's my 2021 stag. Literally a 3-month turnaround from Robert from Buck A1 Buck Off Taxidermy. I'm not swearing for lilies, it's Buck Off. So these are my mounts. They yeah, I'm pretty chuffed. So this is my velvet red. I yeah, always wanted a velvet red stag on the wall. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with him. He's awesome. Nice little velvet red I got with my mate. This is the one I shot with the bow. This is a Central Queensland Rooster. He's yeah, he's about 33 inches, and this is the one I got this year with my mate. He's a nice even. He's a mature stag. First really mature sort of head I've got. Yeah, he's a nice little double four. So just the size of this stag was massive. You probably can't really see how big he is just from the video. But yeah, he's a big boy. He's
What else?
haven't measured him.
Morning.
Yeah.
Look at how much
Happy
liquid is in
as.
that bowl. This
Cool.
is awesome. Looks really good. Looks like it's pulled a lot of that liquid out. That smells so good. Look at that. It's like a thick bloody syrup. Oh man, that smells so good. Yum. So what we'll do, I suppose, we'll give these a bit of a rinse, otherwise it'll be super salty. Rinse under water, let them dry, let them get tacky, and then chuck them in the smoker. Hard life, isn't it, bud? Gassy. Hey, big boy. Yeah, face.
Alright, it's been about 3 hours now. So yeah, we'll go check out this lamb, see how she goes. I reckon she'll be done. Oh, it's looking pretty damn good, eh? If you can see that. Looks pretty good. I've let it go a little bit longer, so it might even be like a bit of a jerky. Oh, I know you can see that. The moisture running off that. The fat. That looks so damn good. That's too big. Just cut that in half.
enough. It's still really hot. Well, that's fairly easy, which is good. So it's been smoking for 3 hours. And it looks like it's brined pretty well. See if we can. Yum. So it's brined fairly well. You sort of see it's fairly uniform. I could probably sat in the brine an extra day. But see how we go. That looks, oh, it smells good. You can smell that spice. Oh, that's good. Man, that's good. That is so good. Oh, it's like caramelized. Oh, wow. It's got a sweet, like brown sugar, that sweet aftertaste, a little bit of hint of spice from that allspice. Fair bit of fat, probably get rid of a bit more fat next time before I smoke them. Fat's beautiful. That's really strong, really rich. You couldn't have too much of this. It'd be awesome in a salad. That is so good. That's just one cut up. You can see that. It's a full stripper lamb breast, and that is a bacon. That is beautiful. And then I've got some thicker ones here. Whew. That's actually got a bit of weight to it, that one. Oh, it's still hot. How good. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's coming up. That is so good. Oh my God. Yum. Winner. Lamb smoky bacon strips. Get into it.